Today we will continue to talk about the installation of aluminum composite panels using the dry hanging process. In the last video, we talked about the first two steps of the installation of aluminum composite panels. Today, I will finish talking about the last three steps of the installation of aluminum composite panels. Step 3. Installation of aluminum composite panels. Before installation, edge lines are drawn on the steel skeleton to determine the position of the slit between the panels. The four corners of the slotted and folded aluminum composite panel will be joined together by blind rivets. The panel will be installed from top to bottom using high-strength self-tapping nails to fix the corners around the panel to the steel frame. Step 4. Silicone in the caulking. Use outdoor weatherproof silicone in the same color as the design and insert a foam stick 2 to 4 mm wider than the seam width into the slab before applying silicone. The thickness of the silicone is normally 1/2 of the seam width. At the same time, the surface of the board on both sides of the seam should be protected by paper taps to prevent contamination. After applying silicone, use a special scraper to scrape the silicone seam into a concave surface before the silicone surface cures. The silicone surface should be smooth and round, no wrinkles, etc. The paper taps should be removed from both sides of the seam immediately after scraping. Outdoor silicone operations shouldn't be carried out on rainy days. Step 5. Cleaning and preservation. After the weatherproof silicone has cured, clean the entire aluminum composite panel wall with water or neutral detergents. Detergent does not react with the finishes. Individual CR solution can be cleaned with organic solvents. Then, installation of aluminum composite panels is completed. This is all about how to install aluminum composite panels. Have you understood all in these two videos?